My name is Kimberlee. I work for Huawei Technologies in the US. But really, the most important job I have is being a mom.
Look, it's the Statue of Liberty.
Wow. So I've got a beautiful son, Ethan, and an absolutely incredible daughter, Gabrielle, and they are just my world. I want to make sure that whatever I am doing professionally is going to make an impact and make their world better for tomorrow.
She's the world's best superhero, and she's got a super cuddle.
My son was born with special needs. My daughter was born with a medical challenge as well. And about a couple years ago, I was on a mommy group online, and I saw a really great video about rethinking voice technology so that it could help people with Down syndrome. And I never knew how technology could be so transformative. And so when I had the opportunity to join Huawei, its purpose of leaving no one behind, that really spoke to me. Whether it's applying Huawei technology to empower doctors to diagnose childhood blindness so much sooner, or it's an app that allows children that are deaf to be able to experience early reading through a great avatar who speaks sign language in your country. We are designing it with the core mission that whatever you're building should be able to be used and accessed by everyone.
Guys, this is kind of cool.
Personally, as a mom, I want to work for a company where my personal passion, along with what I do professionally, can help build a world that includes my son, can help for a better world that my daughter can be a leader tomorrow. And I know that Huawei can help us get there. We're in 170 countries. Having the opportunity to listen and learn from colleagues in Japan, from colleagues in India, has been incredible to see what's happening in their country and what I can learn from there to apply here in the US. And that's the world that we want to see, where we're focusing more on collaboration. I'm thankful that I can be comfortable and be who I am at Huawei and bring everything of that intersectionality of me being a working mom, a woman, a Black woman, an American, a mother of a disabled child, all of that to work and still let me do my best.